So our campsite is surrounded by these bushes, and if you look closely, you can see a lot of red dots on them. Taylor and I are pretty sure these are salmon berries. Well, that was probably gonna happen sooner or later here. So we're in the middle of a forest, dead car battery, and no one around us. So I just sent a text out on the inReach to let people know what's going on, see if we can't do anything about it. But 2 miles back down the road is a campground, and I know people are there, so we're gonna go bug them and see if we can't get a jump start. We're hiking back down the road to the campground that's about 2 miles away from here. I know there's people there because we pulled in last night looking for a spot. Everything's taken up, so I think someone there will help us. But it leaves a question, why did the battery die? So I have an OBD Bluetooth reader, and it tells me that there's about 7 volts on the battery, which is not good. Should be upwards of about 13-ish, somewhere around there, 13, 14. I would think it would have been the jackery that was drawing all the power during the night and just sucked the battery dry. I burned out the cigarette lighters that are active that go straight off the battery. The only one that I've been charging off of now is the dash next to the radio, and that one only turns on when the car is on. And I did leave it plugged in, but it doesn't draw anything if the car's not on. I also checked to make sure the headlights were off too when I was starting it up, or trying to get it started, and those weren't left on at all. Nothing was left on, so my fear is the alternator is dead. I hope it's not, because that's gonna be a costly replacement, but I gotta eat the cost to get that thing back up and running. Alright, so looks like we will not be going to North Cascades National Park. We're gonna backtrack a ways and go back to Cedro Willie. Good news, we're back on the road. Probably won't be able to do what we wanted to do today, but it is what it is. So we're back on the road again, and we got our vehicle mid-journey upgrade completed. We have a new AGM battery in the car, which is something I've been planning on doing for a while, but didn't intend on doing it during this trip. But since we had the dead battery, I decided to pull the trigger on it and make it happen, and the Napa Auto Parts store had it in stock. All right, guys, so we're here in, where the heck are we?
Northern Cascades.
So we're here in Northern Cascades National Park. We decided to break from our normal habit of searching for a campground until 1 o'clock in the morning, and we have decided to get a campground here in the national park. So we're currently in Cascades, Northern Cascades National Park. It's a pretty neat little campground. There's actually quite a bit of privacy around here just because everything is so dense. There's lots of forest, and we're actually surrounded by all these little berries again too. It's pretty cool. You got camp set up pretty quickly while I was vlogging.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
Maybe I should do something useful now.
Okay. You can get the kitchen set up.
Okay, I'll get the kitchen set up.
There you go. Oh, one more.
Yep, one more. Dinner is served.
complete with wild berries.
With wild berries, oh yeah. Salmon berries, chicken, zucchini, potatoes.
Squash.
Squash.
Not zucchini.
Not zucchini. And then we have sparkling cider. That was a chicken.
Much better than last time.
That was good chicken. We're getting cleaned up, and I think after that we're just gonna crash for the evening. We had a long day of problem solving, and we tackled everything we set out to do, mostly. Still need to explore a bit of this park. We're gonna hope to do that a little bit in the morning, but I think right now we're just concerned with catching up on a lot of rest. Good morning, guys. So it's a new day, and we're here in North Cascades National Park. We don't have a whole lot of time to spend here, unfortunately. We're kind of just driving through, but I'm hoping there's like one short little trail that we can go on. So we're gonna go see if we can find that. We wanted to do Thunder Knob Trail. Looked like a good option on the map. We got here and looks like there's just a creek that comes through the trailhead here. So I don't really see a way around this. I'm kind of tired of getting my boots wet. In fact, I think they're still drying off from the last time I was stomping around in a creek. But I don't know, contemplating, because I really want to do a hike here. You find anything in the bush over there?
Spiders.
Oh, yeah, okay. I feel like if I could just get over this deep part right here, it's pretty shallow right there, and I could just step there. And looks like Taylor is forging her own path here. Alright, I guess I gotta find a way across this. See if I can do this without breaking anything. Alright, we did it! Alright, next. Okay. A little tipsy. Good. Good. Balance, balance, balance. Balance! Woo-hoo. Okay, I made it. See if we can keep my socks dry this time. Oh look, I do see a path. The rocks. I don't feel like walking in that though.
I'm wondering if we can just pick our way around until it becomes an actual trail instead of a river.
That's what I'm thinking, because we're gaining elevation. Eventually, we should get out of the water here.
I mean, it looks like it goes past that point, but that's the worst of it right there.
You know, I do see a sign over there in the distance. Let's go check it out.
If we can get that far.
If we can get that far. Well, this just got to level 9,000.
9,000?
9,000!
That's a little bit nice. Not that bad.
Alright, let's see if we can do this. It's not a bridge?
It doesn't go across.
It doesn't?
No. Look at it. It's like a half-assed bridge. Like, we only got like 5 feet left, but let's just not build it all the way out.
Okay. Water. Big step. Little step. Wow. Big step. There we go. Okay. We're on dry land.
Okay. Now the trail is a trail.
Now it's a trail.
Now it's not a river.
tiny glimpse of North Cascades National Park. I'd love to stay longer and explore a lot more of it, but we are short on time and the road beckons. So we're gonna keep going on, but we should have a pretty scenic drive straight out of here. Oh, okay, made it. I made it. All right, and step, 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 spider web, step.